We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape on a Chromebook. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Inkscape and hit enter. You'll see the Inkscape app in the results. Click on it, then click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add App. This will install Inkscape onto your Chromebook. Once the installation is complete, go to your launcher at the bottom left of your screen and open Inkscape. You'll see the Inkscape interface pop up. It might look a bit different compared to other platforms, but don't worry, all the core features are there. On the left side, you have your tools like the Select, Draw, and Shape tools. At the top, you've got options for file management like New, Open, Save, and Export. To start a new project, click on File and then New, or simply press Ctrl-EN. On your keyboard, you can start drawing by selecting a tool from the left. If you want to create shapes, use the Shape tool and click and drag on the canvas. You can adjust the size and color using the toolbar at the top. To save your work, go to File and click Save As. Choose the location where you want to store your file and select the format you prefer, such as SVG or PNG. One handy tip is to frequently save your work to avoid losing any progress. If you need to import any images, click on File, then Import and select your file. This will allow you to incorporate external graphics into your design. Inkscape on Chromebook might feel a bit different at first, but with these steps, you should be up and running in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.